Racing just is started. We have Stormbreaker. Break quickly at exert. Run like the wind in the middle. Moving up on the outside. Bonjour. Precious Metal is on the outside. Dagaran Kid. Kiss Me. Down on the inside now is Coquette. Next online now is Real Heaven. Then followed over by Perfection. Maximum Exposure running by the Rail Reality Show. The Real Thing in the middle. Citrus Admiral, while Amazing Pace is the early trailer by about 12 lengths up the leader. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Bonjour by about half length. Run like the wind in second. Then here comes Precious Metal now moving up on the outside. Perfection likewise now coming closer. Dagatan Kid. Coquette comes next. Then followed over by Kiss Me, the Real Thing. Real Heaven comes next. Then followed over by Reality Show, Citrus Admiral, Stormbreaker, Storm Pace, while Maximum Exposure now racing in 14th. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Bonjour by our length and a half. Precious Metal is on the outside. Perfection, Dagatan Kid. Last 75 meters, we have Bonjour followed by Precious Metal, and finally it's Bonjour, Precious Metal. Then comes Perfection, the Real Thing, Dagatan Kid, and Run Like the Wind.
Sino segundo? 9